Stop throwing away your plant cuttings, because what I'm about to show you will completely change the way your home looks. A simple vine, yes, just a regular pothos, can turn into a luxury-style indoor decoration using nothing but water and glass. No soil, no expensive pots, no gardening skills. And the best part? These setups don't just look aesthetic. They actually make your space feel calmer, fresher, and more alive. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn a basic plant cutting into a Pinterest-level home display that looks like it belongs in a designer studio. Let's start. 1. Minimal glass bottle display. The simplest and most timeless way to display pothos in water is the minimal glass bottle setup. This idea is perfect if you want something clean, aesthetic, and almost effortless. Start with any clear glass bottle. Wine bottles, juice bottles, or even old perfume-style glass containers work beautifully. The key is transparency. You want the roots of your pothos to become part of the visual design. Fill the bottle with clean water and place a healthy cutting inside. Make sure at least one node is submerged because that's where the roots will grow from. Within a few weeks, you'll start seeing delicate white roots spreading through the glass like a natural art piece. Now here's where it becomes stylish. Placement. Put these bottles on windowsills where sunlight filters through. The light will hit the water and roots, creating a soft, glowing effect. You can also group 2-3 bottles together for a minimalist plant trio look. If you want a more curated aesthetic, choose bottles with slightly different shapes but similar glass tones. This creates visual balance without clutter. This setup works especially well in modern, Scandinavian, or minimalist interiors because it adds life without overwhelming the space. And the best part? It requires almost zero maintenance. Just change the water every 7-10 days and your display stays fresh and clean. Simple, elegant, almost meditative. 2. Test tube wall display. If you want something that looks like it came straight from a designer Pinterest board, the test tube wall display is a game changer. This setup turns your pothos cuttings into living wall art. You'll need a wooden frame or rack and several glass test tubes or slim propagation vials. These are usually cheap and easy to find online or in home decor stores. Mount the rack on a wall, preferably somewhere with indirect natural light. Then fill each tube with water and insert a single pothos cutting into each one. What makes this setup so visually powerful is repetition and structure. Each tube becomes a small ecosystem, and together they form a clean geometric pattern on your wall. Over time, the roots grow downward in delicate, tangled formations, creating a floating botanical display that feels alive and dynamic. You can customize the look depending on your style. Use black metal frames for a modern industrial vibe. Use light wood for a Scandinavian aesthetic. Use brass for a luxury interior feel. This idea is especially powerful in home offices, studios, or reading corners because it adds creativity and calm energy without taking up desk space. Maintenance is simple. Just top up or replace water every week or so. The result? A living wall installation that looks expensive but is surprisingly easy to build at home. 3. Hanging glass orb display. If you want something magical, soft, and slightly dramatic, hanging glass orbs are one of the most beautiful ways to display water-grown pothos. Take small glass globes or terrariums and fill them with clean water. Then place a trailing cutting of pothos inside each one. Use transparent fishing line or thin hooks to hang them at different heights near a window or open corner. The uneven spacing is what creates that dreamy floating effect. When sunlight hits the glass, it reflects light across the room, and the water inside creates gentle shifting patterns on the walls. At night, if you add warm lighting nearby, the effect becomes even more atmospheric. The vines inside will slowly grow downward, following gravity, creating elegant green trails suspended in midair. This setup works especially well in boho interiors, cozy bedrooms, or creative spaces where you want a calming but artistic touch. To enhance the aesthetic even further, you can mix orb sizes for variation. Add tiny decorative stones at the bottom. Use tinted glass for moodier tones. The key is movement. Unlike static decor, this setup evolves over time as the plant grows, making your space feel alive. It's simple, inexpensive, and incredibly eye-catching, perfect for transforming an empty corner into a focal point. 4. Vintage jar aesthetic display. If you love warm, cozy, slightly rustic interiors, the vintage jar display is the easiest way to make your plant setup feel intentional and styled. Grab mason jars, old glass food containers, amber bottles, or anything with character. The more imperfect the glass looks, the more charm it adds. Fill each jar with clean water and place cuttings of pothos inside. The contrast between natural green vines and aged glass creates a beautiful organic aesthetic. Now, styling is everything here. Place the jars on wooden shelves, kitchen counters, or bedside tables. Pair them with candles, books, or dried flowers to build a layered, lived-in look. You can also mix jar sizes for visual depth. Large jars for bold vines, small jars for young cuttings. For an extra decorative touch, add pebbles or river stones at the bottom, twine or rope around the jar neck, labels or handwritten tags for a vintage feel. This style works beautifully in farmhouse, rustic, or bohemian homes because it feels natural and unforced. Unlike modern glass setups, this one feels more emotional, like every jar has a story. And the best part is accessibility. You don't need anything expensive or special. Just reuse what you already have at home. It's sustainability and beauty combined. 5. Mirror reflection water display. This is one of the most underrated styling tricks, and it instantly makes your plant setup look twice as impressive. Take a simple glass vase or bottle filled with water and a cutting of pothos. Then place it directly in front of a mirror. The reflection doubles the visual impact, making it look like you have more plants, more vines, and more depth than you actually do. This illusion works especially well in small rooms where space is limited. It creates the feeling of a larger, greener environment without adding clutter. To enhance the effect, position the setup where natural light hits both the plant and the mirror. This creates soft reflections and highlights the water roots in a subtle, glowing way. You can also layer multiple mirrored surfaces or use decorative trays underneath the vase to anchor the design. Styling tips. Use a simple, clear vase for maximum reflection. Keep the background clean so the plant stands out. Add 1 or 2 trailing vines for movement. This setup is perfect for bedrooms, desks, or entryways because it feels fresh, bright, and modern. It's a clever design trick that turns a single plant into a full visual statement. And there you have it. Simple water display ideas that turn ordinary plant cuttings into aesthetic home decor pieces. The beauty of using Pothos is that it doesn't just grow, it transforms your space as it grows. Every root, every vine, every new leaf adds to the design. What makes these setups so powerful is that they don't require expensive tools or complicated gardening skills. Just glass, water, and a bit of creativity. Whether you choose minimal bottles, hanging orbs, or mirror illusions, each idea changes the atmosphere of your home in a subtle but powerful way. If you try any of these setups, don't just place them anywhere. Think about light, height, and composition. That's what turns just a plant into a design feature. And remember, the best part is that these displays are always evolving. They grow with you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which style you're going to try first.